Did you know that in iOS 26, you can actually share your accessibility settings with another iPhone or iPad? This is super useful if you're borrowing a friend's device or using a public iPad, as your personalized accessibility features can follow you temporarily, and you can remove them when you're done. Let me show you how it works. Let's start with the sharing process. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap Accessibility, then scroll down and tap Share Accessibility Settings. Next, tap Share Accessibility Settings, then tap Continue. Make sure both devices have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi turned on. Also ensure that the other device's software is up to date. By then, you can either select a device from your contacts or pick any device signed into your iCloud account. Or, if you're right next to someone, just hold the top of your iPhone near the top of theirs to start the connection. On the other device, they'll need to accept your request. They can simply tap Accept, or tap and hold the screen with 3 fingers. Once accepted, the other iPhone or iPad will instantly apply your accessibility settings. During this session, only your accessibility settings are shared, not your personal data. Keep in mind though that if you move more than 30 feet away from the device you're sharing with, the session will automatically end. When you're finished, you can stop sharing. Meanwhile, if you use different accessibility setups across devices, you can sync them. And that's it. With iOS 26, sharing your accessibility settings is quick, secure, and makes any iPhone feel like your own, perfect for short-term use or emergencies. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and check out my other iOS 26 tutorials for more tips to make your iPhone easier to use. Thanks for watching.